Laureates of the Prix Galien, ladies and gentlemen, the establishment of the Prix Galien USA in 2006 is the major award in the United States for the development of new drugs for the pharmaceutical and biotechnology industries.
This is a forum and an entity that celebrates innovation and contributions that make a difference in the lives of people and improve health.
Well, I think it's really about bringing the creme de la creme of the industry and of science to really engage and discuss, I think, some of the most important issues of our time.
The Galien Foundation brings the top scientists in the world, where you have Nobel laureates across the spectrum of scientific disciplines meeting and talking with members of the pharmaceutical industry to see what's going on at the cutting edge, because ultimately that's going to benefit patients.
We should want that health improves and that the industry is supported to the degree that they can innovate and bring about those changes in healthcare that are the dreams that we all have.
You've got to have the science. You've got to have a reason to believe that you have something you can work on to develop a new medical device or a new medicine. And of course, we've never had better opportunities today with new science, new targets, new knowledge.
What a delight to be here. This is the right event, on the right issue, at the right time.
And it is the beginning, I hope, of an emerging paradigm that enables all pharmaceutical companies to have access to 100% of the Earth's people.
How do we produce the next generation of physicians and care providers? How do we come up with better ways to deliver care in those particular models? So I want to make it clear, we're here as pharmaceutical executives. This is not just about pharmaceutical innovation. It's about innovation across the board.
Things are really moving in the industry, and it's wonderful, and I congratulate you.
Around the globe, the Prix Galien is considered as the equivalent of the Nobel Prize, thanks to the intellectual rigor of its committee.
Tonight's awards recognize not only some of the top achievements in the industry, but also honor the drive and determination of the people and the teams behind those achievements. The people who work in drug development, all of you and your colleagues across the industry, are the unsung heroes in the successes we're highlighting tonight.
And I'm so grateful that you've chosen to elevate our work with Partners in Health.
This Prix Galien recognition will undoubtedly encourage the worldwide development of experimental and clinical therapy applications.
And I look forward to sharing many nights like this with you in the future as your targeted drugs come to market as well and transform the lives of patients and provide the hope that patients are looking to us for.
On behalf of all my colleagues at Gilead, I want to thank the foundation. We certainly are honored by the nomination.
Bringing together people from industry, academia, leadership in a variety of communities to come and talk about what's the exciting areas and the challenging areas of biomedical research and health. And I think it's a great group to have together.
Innovation is going to remain absolutely essential. We've got to make sure that in all of these systems and around the world that we build systems where innovation is rewarded.
I believe that anyone who heard tonight and last year and the year before of what you have done in your laboratories for the benefit of humanity, we all must express that gratitude.
And I thank you all for being here, all of you who appreciate what the industry does and are willing to stand up for it.
Take the time to do everything you can in your power to protect this industry and what it does, because I think ultimately it is the solution to the healthcare crisis around the world. It is this industry and the people who work here today that are going to make the difference.
You know, the suffering has no border, and we have to cross the border. That's exactly what I mean.